Hello, people, and I still remember the password of my YouTube channel. Hi, it's been a while, and well, I'm kinda screwed. So, it's not like I didn't film anything in this time period, the so called hiatus, whatever you want to call it. It's just, I didn't, well, not didn't. I didn't finish editing anything. Well, it always went halfway there and then I was not happy about that and then just trash it. And now they are left in my laptop rotting. So I guess to fix that problem is just don't edit, and then yeah, so this will be kind of an attempt of making an unedited video of how to Cantonese. So apology if it's not funny at all, because I don't have anything to make this video funnier. Oh, funny, yeah, not even the crap editing skills, if they are even called skills. Anyway, let's just jump into it. So what are we going to talk about? Some kind of things that we Asians tend to do a lot, which is being indirect or coy, or I don't know what's that. I have my notes like just beneath the camera, by the way, so don't mind me. I'm looking at them. Oh yeah, the subtext culture. So let's talk about those in Cantonese. We have some situations we all do that are quite embarrassing if you just, expose them in public. Or what am I talking about? So let's say if you have something like stuck on your back, and when people point that out right in public, it may be quite embarrassing. And if you're the one who pointed that out, it might make you look like, I don't know, an ass or a smart ass of trying to, be nice in a bad way. I am getting into a black hole for explaining things badly. Yeah, so in order to avoid that while being a kind human being, so how to not look like an ass? We use metaphors or something like that in Cantonese. That's why we have a lot of weird or strange metaphors that foreign speakers may not be familiar with. So in this video we're going to talk about 4 of them. And yes, about the not editing part, I'm not putting in any subtitles or text at all. So it's gonna go straight from the camera and to YouTube. It's like, I don't know, a disguised. I lost my track. Okay, just that. Yeah, I drew it. My point is, so the first expression is 火車未到站. Should I flip it? I don't know. We'll fix it. So 火車未到站, literally in English it means the train hasn't arrived into the station yet, which is a very convoluted expression, oddly specific. So if you just use your imagination and yeah, we're talking about when you're wearing jeans or any kind of trousers, and the zip is not zipped. So unzipped trousers, pants, you don't just call it out your pants. We can all see your undies. We'll just say your train still hasn't arrived yet, so please fix it. So yeah. And in Cantonese we will say it as 喂，你火車未到站喎, like this. So far so good, I guess. And also the video is going to be like, I don't know, 10 hours long because all the not editing part and me being not funny. Okay. 火車未到站, the first one. Okay. 1 down, 3 to go. Shit. Now I have to pick it up afterwards. Damn it. So the second one is a place on the map. But of course it's not talking about a place. It is 地中海. Can you see it? 地中海. And 地中海 literally is Mediterranean Sea. On the map. And I don't know, can you see the red from the get-go? And this is something that men or some women hate because it is the situation of balding. Not bald, not entirely bald, but balding. So some situation is like your hairline is retreating, but then it has left like an empty space here, but some poor hair just like left here, just like Dr. Phil. Is that so? Probably, yeah. So we call a person is 地中海 if he or unfortunately she has that kind of hairstyle. So, for example, in a sentence we will say 嗰個地中海咪係我 Maths 老師咯. Yeah, Maths is maths. Question: do you say maths or math without the S? I don't know. Is it an American versus non-American English thing? Please let me know. So yeah, balding, 地中海. Okay. For the sake of being funny, I'm gonna throw it again. So the third one is, well, 地中海, if it's for male, then this one is specifically for female, and it is 飛機場. Be careful, please do not use this directly on any female or male for that matter. It is a negative kind of expression, but you should know. 飛機場 literally means airport. Yeah. So what do planes do in an airport? They run along the runway and then fly away or land anyway. So 飛機場 means flat-chested or no boobs. So it actually means your boobs are so flat, your chest is so flat that planes can basically run through and fly away. So yeah, that's why it is kind of an insult if you use it on someone else, on straight in front of people's faces. So don't. And for example, you can say something like 呢啲叫 high fashion, 唔係飛機場咯. So yeah, it is called high fashion brand. Look it up. Yeah, shove those double D's, I don't know, right down your throat. Yeah, jokes. Please laugh. Oh, it's been 10 minutes. Oh god. Time management. Oh, okay. Last but not least, soon you will be good. You'll be like okay to leave. Okay, please bear with me. So the last expression is actually an everyday item that you will have at home. Điện tăng đảm. Điện tăng đảm means light bulb. And I don't know why. Actually, tăng đảm itself means light bulb, and somehow you put an electric điện in front. So, but you don't call it electric light bulb. No, there's no such thing. So yeah, basically light bulb. It means third wheel in English. So yeah, I guess you understand what a third wheel is. Yeah, basically, if you don't know, a third wheel is someone who tags along when you're with a couple, and which is very awkward and weird. And why would you do that? I don't know, but I did that. I have been there and that. Not good. Please don't do that. Not recommend. So using this expression, we tend to say sentences like this. 人哋去拍拖，你就唔好做電燈膽啦. Yeah, when people are dating, they're going on a date, please do not tag along. Please do not suffer. Like literally that meme, but then I'm not editing that in, so why are we still here? Just to suffer. Indeed. So trashed. Yay, now I have to clean my room again. Okay, so I guess that is a wrap for this video. Let me know if this thing is going to work or not, because looks like I've abandoned the channel. Well, I did read all the comments. Well, not many comments are out there, but yeah, I read them. But sometimes I don't know how to, reply them, because some comments are quite weird. You can go look for it if you are curious. I'm sure they're not that difficult to find, but anyway, I lost my track again. Okay, so if this thing works, if you guys like this kind of format where I just like ramble and don't know what I'm talking about for a significantly long time, and you don't have that weird zoom in zoom out jump cuts to comedy effects. So if you guys liked it, then I guess I'll keep doing it. If you guys don't, then I probably will still keep doing it. Wow, way to be genuine and stuff. So yeah, let me know anyways. Just don't be too weird, okay? Yeah. So what else should I say? So also, if you have any kinds of Cantonese related questions or even Mandarin related ones, I'm thinking about doing something like maybe related to other languages and stuff. Yeah, so let's call it a day here, and Yeah, give it a like if you like it, and also subscribe to this channel if you want to. If you like this kind of content and stuff, hit that bell thingy because you know I have a very consistent uploading schedule. And I will see you in the next video. Probably, yeah, new uploads every week. Never missed a week. Never. Yeah, I'm now stealing popular YouTubers' jokes. Okay, bye!